Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful recipe for you today. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious snack. And what we're going to be making today is something that you can eat and eat and eat and eat. And you don't have to worry about those extra calories, okay? So today we're going to be making some kale chips. That's right, I said it, kale chips. I am using 3 of the kale ribs, stalks, or whatever you want to call them. And all I'm doing right now is just separating the leaves off of the ribs. And we're going to try to break them into 1 to 2 inch pieces. Now, after we've gotten our kale leaves into the size pieces that we'd like, now we're going to wash these things. You know, you got to wash them thoroughly. So let's wash our kale leaves and then start the video. I will be right back. So what you're going to do in the meantime is preheat your oven to 275 degrees. All right. And what I did to start the process off was I washed my kale pieces in a bowl. I filled it with water. And then I just switched it around to remove any of the dirt. And I just drained it, okay, and dried it thoroughly using a clean kitchen cloth, kitchen towel, a salad spinner, or you can just use regular napkins. And that's what I did. Okay, forget the fancy stuff, y'all. Forget the fancy stuff. So now that it's finished drying, okay, if you didn't do so already, you're going to tear your leaves into 1 to 2 inch pieces. Okay, and you're going to discard any of the rib pieces, which is that hard spinal piece. All right. And next what we're going to do is we're going to drizzle some of our extra virgin olive oil. Okay, just going to drizzle a little bit. And then we're going to gently, evenly distribute and rub the oil on the leaves. Okay. Oh, and you can feel it too. All right. And you're going to feel and see the difference. Wonderful. After that, you're going to get a baking pan, cookie sheet, you know, whatever is easy. And you're going to take your leaves and place a single layer over your pan. And you're going to try not to overlap any of them, because we want them all to get nice and crispy. Now, being that I have so much, okay, some of my pieces may get a little overlap, but you're going to try your best not to overlap your kale leaves. Okay? Next, you're going to sprinkle a little salt and pepper on top of it. Now, I'm going to be using my kosher salt today, and just sprinkle a nice little layer of salt over the kale. If you want some pepper, you can also add some pepper if you'd like. And another nice taste to it would be some Parmesan cheese. For those of you who love Parmesan, you can add this step in as an optional step. So for those of you Parmesan cheese lovers, here's an optional step for you. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top of your kale. Okay? And this is to taste. Now we're going to bake for 18 to 20 minutes until leaves are crispy. We shall be ready after that, okay? So we're just going to pop this into our oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Looks good. Okay, you guys, so this is it. This is how it's going to look, okay? Alright, you guys, so there we go. There we have it, our kale chips. These are delicious. They're wonderful. And they're crispy, okay? And you can eat as much of them as you want without feeling guilty. They're delicious. They're easy to make. In like 15 minutes, you will have some delicious, healthy kale chips. Put your own flavoring twist on it. Sprinkle your garlic powder or Parmesan cheese, whatever you desire. But these are wonderful, healthy snacks. Your children would even enjoy these, okay? Try them out down below. Let me know how you like them, okay? And until the next Cooking It Up, I will see you then. Bye. Hey, fam. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen. First of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell. So this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.